My name is Attorney Bryant Fitz. I've been helping injured people get the maximum compensation and medical treatment for injuries. Today I'm here to talk about what the value of a pharmacy misfill claim is. First of all, a pharmacy misfill claim is when you submit a prescription to the pharmacy and they give you something other than what the doctor prescribed. Believe it or not, this happens all the time. Many of these pharmacists are overworked and they're working very quickly, and sometimes they just make a mistake, or sometimes medications are in the wrong bin when they're filling prescriptions. Just so you know, every time you get a prescription, you should always verify that the pill looks like you think the pill should look like. And you can also get on the internet and try to verify that the pill you were prescribed by the doctor actually in fact looks like the pill or the medication you're given. What happens in a pharmacy misfill case? Normally, people are given the medication and it's either too strong or it's the wrong medication, and they take it for a number of days and they start having complications. Sometimes these complications are small things such as headaches, dizziness, nausea, exhaustion, but other times it causes serious medical events. Loss of consciousness, people pass out, sometimes they have internal bleeding. So there's many different things that can be caused by taking the wrong medication when you're sick. So that brings me back to the original question. What's my pharmacy misfill case worth? Well, it depends on your damages. So in the event you took the wrong pills for a number of days and you had headaches and lightheaded or some minor medical event, that may not be as worth as much as if you were hospitalized for taking the wrong medication. And believe it or not, people often end up in the hospital if they're taking the wrong medication for days on days at end because they don't understand why they're feeling the way they feel. The way you value one of these cases is, what are my damages? And the damages would be, what type of medical injuries were you caused while taking the medication? How much did it cost to treat those injuries? And are those injuries everlasting? In some circumstances, taking the wrong medication for days can have everlasting effects on your life. Now, if that happens, your claim is worth substantially more than if you had headaches for a number of days. If you are a victim of a pharmacy misfill, you will be called by the pharmacy if they discover it, and they will talk to you. Sometimes they never discover it and you have to go back to the pharmacy and tell them what happened, and then ultimately they will pass your name off to what's called a risk manager for the pharmacy, and the pharmacy risk manager will call you, and they kind of act like an insurance adjuster. They're going to ask you all these questions, and if they start asking you too many questions, you probably need to call a lawyer to get some advice. Call our office, 1-800-99-FITS. We can help you through that conversation, or better yet, just help you once you hire us, and we'll have the conversation with the risk manager. If you try to settle your pharmacy misfill case on your own, they're probably going to give you nothing or offer you nominal compensation. When I say nominal, probably $1,000 or something, trying to make you go away. If you hire a lawyer, we can investigate the claim, we can prosecute the claim, we can file a lawsuit on your behalf, and you can most likely get substantially more money and compensation for your injuries and your damages if you hire a lawyer. So if you're in this unfortunate situation, give us a call at 1-800-99-FITS.